Finding product prices based on product name. We are going to use the VIN lookup to do that. The VIN lookup function is used to search for a value in the first column of a range and return a value in the same row from a specified column. We'll use this to find the unit price of a specific product. To use VIN lookup, you specify the lookup value, that's the product name, the table to search, the column number, where the result is located, and whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. Okay, so let's try and find the unit price for red tablet. Imagine you having a lot of data. You can't just go over them one after the other. So the VLOOKUP function will help you to simply locate the value. So head over to cell C13. Then type equal to VIN lookup, and immediately you open the bracket, we have the lookup value. Okay, so our lookup value is the red tablet. I will select cell A4, bring a comma, and then the table array. The table array is gonna be from, you can select the whole of the table over here as I've done. Then I'll head on to the column index number. So this is where our value can be found. So we are trying to look at the unit price, so which is at column 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So my number here is gonna be 3, and after that I want an exact match, so I'll type in false, then press enter. So our unit price for the red tablet is 10, as you can see here. So let's try to do some changes to this. Let's say, considering the red tablet as well, we are trying to find maybe the category. Okay, so the category is at column 8. So all what you need to do is to change the 3 to 8 and press enter. So we have this to be electronic. So as we can see over here, we can also change, we can alter the data or the formula to know the discounted price. Okay, or let's say the discount percent, which is at column 5. Okay, so you just have to change this to 5, and then the discount for this is 15%. Okay, we can also change the lookup value to be maybe orange keyboard. Okay, so the orange keyboard is this. So that is it. It's very simple as A, B, C, D. Summing total sales based on category. So we are going to use a sum if function. The sum if function adds up the value in a range that meets a specific condition. We'll use it to sum the total sales for products in the electronic category. So I will head over to cell C15 and type equal to sum if. So the first thing to input is the range. Okay, so since I want to sum product based on category, I will select the range of categories that we have. Then I'll bring my comma, then the criteria. Okay, so within the range, I want to sum all the total prices for only electronics. So I can just select electronics, or I can just type in electronics. After selecting that, and the sum range is the total sales that I want to calculate based on the category. So I have to select the range of the total sales over here as well. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll just close the bracket and press on enter. So this gives me the total sum of products that are just electronics. As we did for the VLOOKUP, you can also enter here and alter the criteria over here. Let's say I want to sum based on just audio. Okay, I'll just have to change this thing to the audio, and then the changes will apply as such. Counting products with sales above 50 units. So the count if function is going to help us. The count if function counts the number of cells in a range that meets a specific condition. You will use it to count how many products had quantity sold greater than 50. To count the number of products where quantity sold is greater than 50, I'll just head over to my count if section and type in equal to count if and open bracket. So the first thing to input is the range. So I want to look at quantities that are above 50. So I'll select the range of the quantity sold, then bring a comma. My criteria is count the cells that are more than 50. So I'll just have to put this in quotation margin and greater than 50. After that, I'll close my bracket and press enter. So this is 4. So let's do some manual calculations over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take note, 50 is not passed because we typed greater than 50. Okay, for you to include 50, it can be greater than or equal to. So you just have to bring equal to sign in front of this. So greater than or equal to, and it will count the 50 as well. So this time around it has counted the 50. So that is how to enter greater than or equal to in Excel. Now let's move to combining product name and category. We are going to use the CONCATENATE function. The CONCATENATE function is used to join multiple pieces of text together. We will use this to create a new column with combined product name and category. So to do this, I'll just head over to my column L to create the concatenation. So at cell L2, I'll just type equal to concatenate. So the first text is going to be the product name. So I'm going to select cell A2. Then from there, you move to the second text. Okay. Now to bring the limiter, I'm just going to use some operation to separate the two. Okay. So I'm going to use the hyphen sign to separate the two, so that if you just select the second text, it's going to combine them together. So I'm going to separate them with a hyphen. So this is how I'm going to do it. Then before I can select the category, okay, then press on enter. So this has concatenated the product name and then the category. So from here, I'll just head over to the handfill and drag it along. Okay, so as you already know, I'll just double click here to just give equal spacing. So that's the concatenate function.